Smart way to save money on lawn and garden supplies. Hello, welcome to 7 Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today we're going to talk about some of the smart ways you can save money on your lawn and garden supplies. So I'm here at Walmart, and one of the ways that you can save money on your lawn and garden supplies is to get your lawn and garden supplies at the end of the season. Right now, in some areas is the end of the season or getting close to the end of the season. So stores are trying to get rid of stuff that they have for garden and lawn supplies in order to prepare for fall and Christmas stuff. So here at Walmart, they have stuff at some good discounts, even though it's not yet deep discounted as it usually does towards complete end of the season. But right now you can get some of the items that you need for your lawn or garden at a good discount, and you can save them and use them for next year, or you can use them this year. So as you can see here, they have a lot of garden stuff over here: potting mix, composted manure, cow manure, and other stuff, perlite and peat moss and other stuff at a discount right now. So all of these things you can get them from a discount of about 20% or more on some of them, and that's a good savings, especially if you buy a lot of them. But there's still opportunity for you to get even more savings getting towards the end of the growing season. They're gonna, when these things don't sell or don't sell as fast as they want, in a couple of weeks they might mark it down to 50% or even 75%. So you want to keep an eye out on things, especially items that you're looking for that you plan to use next year. You want to start looking at them right now. Even flowers, they have flowers right now on sale. They're trying to get rid of the flowers, and so most of these flowers are on sale too. So if you're still thinking of getting some flowers or shrubs for your yard or your garden, you can take a look at them now and be able to get some of those things at a good discount compared to the original price. So like I was saying, just check out your local areas, local stores. It might not be Walmart, it might be other home garden stores. You might be able to save money on the items that you use regularly in the garden, such as garden supplies like I just showed you, and even tools. We're gonna go inside in a minute and I'll show you. They also have clearance on some tools right here. We're inside. They have garden tools right here. They have them on clearance, and you might be able to save some money on it and be able to use them for years to come. So you can see a lot of it has gone on already. So check your local stores. Even power tools, they have power tools here on clearance, and gloves and other things that you use regularly. Look at the best ones that you like and get them at the discount and save money that way. So check out your local garden centers, other local hardware stores. You might be able to get savings on them. Even over here, you can see the hard tools are also on clearance over here, and you can definitely get them at some good discount to the regular prices, and you can use these items for a long time. Let me know in the comments below if you have already started shopping for clearance deals like these, or if you've seen clearance deals, or what are the best places that you've had clearance deals in the past. Let us know in the comments below. We'd like to know maybe something that we also might be looking out for those items. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.